How to delete Shopee account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can delete Shopee account. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Shopee and make sure to log in into your account. Now once you're logged in and if you're on your home page, now if you want to delete your account, navigate to top right corner and hover your mouse over your account name. Then click on My Account. So once you're on your account page, here navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side. From there, click on Privacy Settings. And under Privacy Settings, you will find an option as Request Account Deletion. So click on Delete. Make sure to read this information given here and then click on Proceed. Again, confirm it. Now you have to provide the reason why you want to delete your account. If you want to add more details, you can go to this text box and add or provide more details. Once done, you can enter your email address associated with your account where the Shopee will contact you through. Once done, click on Terms and Agreements and then click on Submit. It says once deleted, you will be logged out of this account and will no longer be able to log in into this account. So click on Confirm. Then click on OK. And with that, now your account is deleted. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.